Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to fix lag issue on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. To do that, just open the settings app. From here, scroll down until you see apps, tap on apps. From here, tap on background auto start and make sure you disable all these applications so that they could not auto start in the background. Alright, from here, now go back and scroll up until you see my device, tap on my device, and from here tap OS version a few times until you enable developer options. Now from here go back and from here scroll down until you see additional settings, tap on additional settings. Now from here scroll down and tap on developer options, and from here scroll down until you see window animations, and from here make sure you turn off window animations and also turn off transition animation. Now from here go back. Now from here scroll upward until you find home screen, tap on home screen. Now from here tap on -1 screen and disable Google Discover. Now from here go to your home screen, and from here now uninstall any applications you are not using, just like that. And this is how you can fix the lag issue on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.